Alright, let's look at the homework 1.7, problem number 2. Right, so we want to find the, we want to find the delta value for the given epsilon value, which is 0.2 and 0.1. Right, so let's use GeoGebra. So let's open up. Alright, so first we're going to define a function. Let's see, I'm going to just change the size of the window a bit. Right, so f of x is equal to x to the 4th power minus 4x plus, let's see, what was the function? Alright, plus 3, then hit enter. Alright, so this is the graph, and x is approaching 3, so I'm going to put the x equals 3 and hit enter. Right, and I think I have to move the picture a bit, so scale it, changing the vertical scale. Right, and you kind of see the limit there. Alright, so limit value is 18, so I'm gonna put y equals 18. Alright, so for the epsilon 0.2, so it's going to be 18, so y equals 18 minus 0.2, so it's going to be 17.8, then hit enter. Alright, and also 18.2, and hit enter. Oh, actually, I have to say y equals 18.2, and hit enter. Alright, so it's kind of hard to see, so I'm gonna just stretch this guy out and move it down. Right, stretch that out. Yeah, it's pretty hard to see, so I'm gonna just zoom in there. Zoom in. Oops. Okay, zoom in. Okay. Alright, so it looks like this. Well, this is tough to see. I'm gonna change the scale a bit so that we can see it. Let's see. I have to go down quite a bit. Okay, hopefully it'll go up there. Alright, so I'm gonna just change the scale by just stretching it out. Right, then we're gonna go up actually, to 18. Let's see. Alright, we're seeing a little bit. Almost there, almost there. Alright, let's see. Alright, so you can see that here. Maybe look at this point right here, and also that point right there. Alright, so B is, let's see, I need to change the rounding to 5 decimal places, something like that. Alright, so you have a 2.991127, and this is at 0.0086. We need to find the distance, so maybe we should, let's see, not area, distance, right? And measure these two distance, the distance of these two, and A, and this other point. Alright, so it looks like distance is 0.00867. Right, so it's 873, so we have to pick the smaller one. So it's going to be 0.88, 0.0086. Right, so let's type it in. Alright, so 4 decimal places, 0.0086. 0.86. All right, round your answers. So let's check this answer. Maybe it's rounded. I might have to round it up. All right, it came back, and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, so let's do the 0.1 as well. All right, so I'm gonna type in so 17.9. So that's y equals. All right, so that's the bottom one, and then we're gonna put the y equals 18.1 and hit enter. All right, then we just have to find the distance. I'll just go straight to the distance. Let's see, here's the distance. All right, this point, and actually maybe I'll put a dot there and a dot there. And then we find the distance from here to this point, right? And from here to this point, right? So it looks like it's going to be 0.00842, right? So let's type it in. 0.0082, right? Let's see if that's the value. 42. Right, so let's check the answer. Okay, it came back and looks like we got these correctly. So since we don't want a delta to round it up, so it just round it off. Even if it's bigger than 5, then you're gonna just go ahead and round it off and keep the 4 decimal places. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.